Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla.
Alright everybody, you don't know who this already. This is the Skilla, just so me I say. And me never wait too long. And quick and fast me I try to get another one here and show you what really and truly I go on. You see me I say? Alright, watch this now. I'm going to show you a footage of police I try to make a arrest. Them already make the arrest, but them I try to... This is basically inside of the police station where I talk about what go on. With a man in a handcuff. You see me I say? But this man pad up his chest with some things like... I don't know him the pan. Now look at this and tell me if this man is of a sound or unsound mind. Tell me if him should have been in a jail or Bellevue. Observe.
Go on, go on.
Gabriel, stay away there.
No, me not. You don't come pay me.
You're up here, yo.
Come give me money now. I'm not saying you man. But for me, put in like a price. Relax, my brother. Relax, man.
You want to probably give two.
Don't search it. Don't search it.
Are you
Stop it. You don't care me down and make them search me down there.
Mind push up the phone in there, you know.
Oh. No. You don't see the man I use as a scandal bag. The same plastic bag will get banned from out of Jamaica since the 1st of January, starting at 2019. It get banned. The same plastic bag where you see having a hand in, alright? The man scanned the man that much. Yes, I say that's him if I use that for search him. And then you, the female now. That is the thing with females, you know. Females find, homosexual very amusing. You know? I don't know, it's just them. No. She have the phone pan him. Everybody have phone pan the man like the man is a movie star. Right? So obviously the whole of them take this thing for a joke. You see what I'm saying? And she knows by saying this, him a go do what him just do a while ago. She said, make sure him not put the phone up in there so. When I say up in there so, make sure you not put the phone in a certain part. You know, just I try to remind you what you said. You know what them talk about. She talk about the rectum. You see me? Say him not push the phone up there. You see me I say? She knows that him a go gladly want to do what him just do a while ago. The man drop him pants and tell the police, search me, look up in there and these things. The man, policeman run. The man took off. You know like when cartoon you see the foot spin go boom and gone? Yeah, the man disappeared out of the film in our way. You see what I said? Oh boy. Alright, fun and joke aside, really and truly. The question we may ask now is, should this man really and truly be in jail or should he be in Bellevue? Because the things that we see happen right here, so we don't know if he really have a sound mind or is it just his real lifestyle. So I say, we know say have people like that with them real lifestyle and so forth, but some of the times you have to really and truly think and wonder if them have sound mind with the kind of things them do. And the fact that you can't really have people of unsound mind mixing with other people in a correctional facility, because it is called a correctional facility with people that might have done bad and trying to correct themselves, doing them time for the crime. And if you should put people like that, and it's not just like him, you have other peoples that are unsound mind. The fact is, unsound mind don't belong into places like that. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. And I know what some people are going to say, and I just say go still. Anyways, what do I just say and what do I just happen and what the woman do and what the policeman do, I want the whole I want to just look on it and tell me what to think about the whole situation, especially when I say if the man is of sound mind or what. You understand me? Tell me what you think about the situation, and if you're new to my channel, please do not be afraid to click the subscribe button to the Dancehall Skilla entertainment business. Yes, I say, yeah. Alright, let's go again. Dancehall Skilla Entertainment, that's what it is, alright? And big up to all my viewers and everyone that have been supporting my channel. Yeah, but we have a celebration coming up, alright? Anyways, big up my people, big up my viewers, big up my fans, big up everybody, alright? My name is Dancehall Skilla, you know? My name is Skilla, and that was Dancehall Skilla's Entertainment.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla!
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.